What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're with the homie Andy, the homie Mark. We're waiting for Nick and I think a couple of others to pull up. We're gonna go to a car meet out in Anaheim, California. This is gonna be a night meet, guys, so haven't gone to a night meet in a while, so hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's get on with the rest of the video.
So that we can go ahead and,
so we be low-key. We didn't bring our cars, guys. We're in the daily. But the homie Andy pulled up on us. Super clean C63S. As you guys saw in the video, we drove the C63S. If you guys haven't watched it, go watch that video right now. And make sure you guys go follow Andy on Instagram as well. The homie Nick and the F80. Rich?
That's okay.
yeah, if he wants to come, but
Rolling with Nick. Should have gapped him, Andy.
I should have. Yeah. That wouldn't even let me dash it.
Gapped him right there. You got scared. You got scared. That's why. Crazy. I like this color a lot. It's really nice.
I already forgot the color he said.
It's something I think he said by AUTOMOTIVE. That shit is clean though. Looks, yeah, this color with the gold, like bronze champagne wheels, it looked really, really good.
Baby!
Nick needs to race the Hellcat.
Oh, no way. Traffic.
That thing hauls, right? Shit is crazy. Hey, get off your phone! Oh, here we go! Dude, motorcycle cop, oh my god. Dude. How did they not see that? Bro, that biker cop is just chilling right there, bro. How did he not see? Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Sketch, bro.
That was
so
sketch. Holy shit, guys. This whole thing is flooded. Beautiful F10 M5. Sheesh. This thing is crazy packed over here. It's literally a gas station takeover. Holy shit. They are not playing. Whoever needs gas, I feel really bad for because they are not getting gas today. Too many cars, guys. This whole thing is taking over right now. It is crazy. M4, Lambos. This is actually crazy. This is actually crazy. Sick ass G80. Damn, look at this F80. Look at the color on it. It's very nice. With the white interior, on comps, air suspension, all over Mark, basically. Air.
Oh, this is the homie. He has a clean ass
on
interior,
air
bro.
too,
He
yeah.
has a white interior.
He's got the comp seats.
Like cocaine white.
He's got the black shadow line wheels. That's clean. And the carbon roof. That is crazy. That's wild. Yeah, the color's sick. I was about to say another F80, but it's Nick's.
Fishbowl though.
I was about to say another F80, but it's Nick's. Oh shit, big celebrity, big celebrity. Big celebrity. Beautiful F80 M3. This is really nice. With the red interior? That is clean. Yeah, on my old F80, yeah. Actually, I had mineral white. So it's like a glazy white.
Oh, all
This is
over
regular
this guy.
white.
All over this guy.
This is clean though. And then we got the 1 Series here. It's like a Valencia orange. You got the carbon hood. Got the M vent on there. The wing. Super clean though. Beautiful F80 M3 Silverstone competition. With all the carbon up front. LCI headlights 2018 and above. That's how you know with the headlights. Got the carbon roof. Mark, look at the tire setup on this thing. Bro, what?
It's more meat than rim.
That is crazy. There's so many BMWs today. E92 M3 on the Apexes. That's clean. Austin yellow F80 M3. Very nice. Carbon ceramics all over Mark. That's sick. The M2 competition. C63S. Some more BMWs back over here. This whole gas station is flooded, guys. G80 M3. Sao Paulo yellow. Very nice. Damn, that shit is crazy though. Look at that diffuser. Check out the cage inside too. Completely gutted. That's crazy. Look at the window too.
Total time attack. Literal time attack.
That is wild. That looks crazy. We got the M4 vert. Clean. Okay, now we're getting in more into the exotics. Sheesh. Look at the wide body GTR. Josh's car looks crazy. That livery is insane. Wide body GTR on air suspension. Got the Supreme logo on there. McLaren's. Another McLaren. Shit's crazy packed. Look at that rear bumper though. Damn. That's crazy. Another GTR. GT3.
Poppy tacos
Very
and
nice.
churros.
Aston Martin. Satin black. They even got the light to shine so you can see the cars. This dude's just parked in the drive-thru. That's sick. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Like a green color matching the brake calipers. We got an orange Huracan.
Where? Oh.
Anywhere.
Clean with the orange brake calipers. Orange interior as well. We got the M4 CS. That's clean. We got a G82 Sao Paulo yellow. I think it's stealth PPF. It has like a matte color to it. M6 coupe. Nice color blue right there. It's crazy how this gas station got flooded like that. That's pretty clean. Got the diffuser on there. It's lowered. Yasmarina blue with the Silverstone interior too. That's sick. Thank you. Shining the light. We got the 720S in orange. And we got the 600 LT. That's a nice color right there. That's nice. Another GT3. That's clean right there. Very nice.
Are you down? Yeah, you guys? Alright, so all the people that want to see, it's gonna be like a podcast on the water.
Rich. Crazy M4. Look at got the clear LCI taillights. Look at that tire setup too. That's crazy. Fire. That's a beauty. That's nice, bro. 600 LT. Whack. Ooh, he coming in hot, bro. no cops. Man, looks like everybody's leaving, bro. Should I go over there, Mark? Check out the cars, about swinging? Oh, hell yeah. These guys look like they're about to do something. Oh, yeah, bro.
It looks like they don't give a shit.
Yeah.
There's a difference.
Let's see. Hey, the M2, swing it, swing it. Ferrari and Rolls Royce? Look how they just park, bro. They just park like that. That's how you know you're rich. Crank up. Oh. You got it, you got it.
Almost got hit. Almost got hit.
It's really nice.
But I've seen him do it. I've seen him do it before.
Look at that. You guys saw how packed it was earlier. Sheesh. Crazy. There's cops, guys.
Nobody is even over there.
He was yelling something on the mic though. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. See you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.